Hi there, this is Rupesh and welcome to this channel, Passive Income for All. I know it's been a while since I last made a YouTube video, and I just want to take this opportunity to thank all my loyal subscribers that have been around on this channel. And today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. Can you do it without a following? The fact that you already chose to do affiliate marketing is really awesome because you're choosing to do a business model that is part of $1 billion industry. In fact, there's so much other benefits to affiliate marketing, and I'm going to touch on that in this video as well. But for now, let's answer this all important question. Can you do affiliate marketing without the following? Okay, so now let's just quickly recap what affiliate marketing is all about. So you are essentially the middle guy or the lady, and you bring the buyer and the seller together, and for every transaction that takes place, you earn a commission. So as a result, there is a lot of benefits that you can get following the affiliate marketing business model. So before I tell you the benefits, let me just outline the process. So here is a customer. The customer will come to your site. You might have a business website or an affiliate marketing website. You might have a social media channel. You might have a YouTube channel or Instagram, TikTok, whatever. And what happens is when the customer buys a product, whatever product you are advertising on your website or on your channels, then you will earn money for every transaction that takes place. So now let's take a look at some of the benefits of affiliate marketing. Okay, so here are some of the benefits of the affiliate marketing business model. You don't have to invest much capital or inventory to start your business. Remember, I told you you're going to be promoting other companies' products or services. So in the event if you're doing a product review and you cannot afford the particular product that you're reviewing, just do as much research as you can, make it as detailed as you possibly can, give the pros and cons of the product, and you can promote these products without having to purchase the products. The other cool part about affiliate marketing is there's no recruiting. It's not like a multi-level marketing business where you have to get people to join in order to earn a commission. You can also choose to sell high ticket or low ticket income products. So you can actually combine this in your business, and that's the really cool part about affiliate marketing is that there's tons of affiliate programs that are out there and products that you can promote. For instance, there are certain courses which are high ticket courses, so there you can earn a once-off commission, whereas there are other business programs where the commissions are much more lower, but you can earn a recurring income from them. So those are the lower ticket income products. Flexibility: if you've got a job or you have any other commitments, then affiliate marketing is a great business model because you can work on it whenever you have the free time. And as I explained to you, the business model, it's not a very complex business model to understand and to implement. Okay, so now let's talk about how social media affiliate marketing works. With this particular type of affiliate marketing, you're going to use social media to promote other people's products or services. By the way, I'm reading to you from my website, rupeshcommon.com. So feel free to check out my website. I've also got my number one recommendation on the website where I talk about a business program that is perfectly suited for newbies as well as experienced marketers. So take a look at that. So let's just say you have a YouTube channel. You can make product review videos. You can make them both fun and educational. But if you have an established channel, then you're going to get a good subscriber base, and you can pretty much promote your affiliate products and earn commissions from them. And you can also do other social media channels such as Facebook and Instagram. You can use TikTok, or you can even use Pinterest. And the key factor is when you're doing any of these social media channels, you need to be able to gain the trust of your audience, and then they will be able to buy from you as time goes by. But here is the big question. The question is, what happens if you don't have any following? In other words, you don't have any following on your YouTube channel or any of your Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, whatever your channel you're using. And the answer is, it's not the end of the world. And I'll explain why. Okay, have you ever heard of influencer marketer. Now, I'm going to explain to you what influencer marketer is all about. Now, an influencer marketer is someone who has already got a flourishing social media channel with a great amount of followers. It can be anyone. It does not necessarily have to be celebrities. They basically have a large following on both the web and social media. And the key point is that these influencer marketers are seen as experts within a specific field or niche or subject. And this is good for somebody like you who does not have a social media following. You can reach out to these marketers and then you can propose a deal with them where you can promote your product to their audience. In this way, you're still using social media and you're getting leads without having any followers of your own. How cool is that? But now let's say that, Rupesh, social media is just not my thing. I want to avoid it completely, and you don't want to touch social media. Is there another way to do affiliate marketing without showing my face on a YouTube channel or Facebook or TikTok reel or Instagram reel? And the answer is there definitely is a way. So now if you're asking if you can use social media, if you want to do affiliate marketing without using social media at all, there certainly is a way you can do it. And here are 3 ways that you can do this. The first one is, of course, using paid advertising. Paid advertising is, as it says, where you market your products using pay-per-click advertising, where every time there's an ad it's placed on maybe Google or Bing or one of the social media channels, you have to pay for every click that customers click on. And if they see the product and if you decide to go to your affiliate link and make the purchase, then you earn your commission. So that's basically how pay-per-click advertising works. The second method, which is my number 1 recommendation, is to start your very own SEO website. And by doing this, you're going to be blogging and you're going to be talking about specific products. You're going to be helping people find quality information on the internet, and they're going to come to your website once you've gained their trust and once they feel comfortable with what they're reading, and you've helped them out with a review. Let's say, for instance, they wanted to know if the latest Dyson vacuum machine is really worth it, and you write a top review on this product and they found it extremely helpful. You got an affiliate link that's linked back to Amazon, and they decide to click on your link and they go straight to Amazon and they make the purchase. The cool part about blogging or using SEO is that you are using free organic traffic. You're going to be learning on how to rank your articles onto Google and various other websites, and this is where you get quality traffic to your website. Obviously, the one part that's not so cool about SEO website or blogging is that it does take time, but once you've implemented and you know what you are doing, you can have a lifelong business. And this is why it's my number 1 recommendation, and that's why click on the link that's showing right now on the screen to learn more about how you can do affiliate marketing this way. And then the final method is to, of course, using email marketing. Now, I can guarantee you that you have an email account, and I'm sure that in a single day you might have seen your email maybe once or twice or even maybe 3 times a day, and you might have seen a promotion from somebody that you are following. This is what email marketing is all about. It's another free method that you can use to promote affiliate products, but here is where you also need to slightly build your following. But there are other ways where you can pay for an email list and you can actually market your products to the email list. So those are the 3 ways that you can do affiliate marketing without using social media at all. Okay, there you have it. If you'd like to know how to do affiliate marketing without a following, you now know how to do it. If you want to use social media, you can do social media without a following, as I showed you in this video. If you don't want to use social media, I've also showed you 3 methods that you can use to do affiliate marketing, even that does not require a following. So, having said that, I want to thank you very much for checking out this video. I hope that it has helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So before I leave you, if you're thinking of starting your very own affiliate marketing business, go ahead and click on the link that is in the video description below this video. to check out my number one recommendation. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to checking you out in my next video. Goodbye.